Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to show you how we can have drag and drop system in our UI in our Unity. Okay, for having this feature we should take a look at this plugin which has been released by Sunder 93 whatever. And this plugin has been released 7 years ago, but it is really good to use, easy to use. I will share the link of this plugin in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file here and drag and drop the folder inside your project. Here you can see drag and drop Unity 3D main. It has some prefabs which is for containers and the UI element you want to drag. But first take a look at the example scene. Okay, we have an area which called draggable zone. If you take a look at here, this container, this guy is drop zone. We have drag zone here, we have drop zone here, and we have drop zone here. Okay, it means whenever you want to hold an object here inside an area which is gonna be drag and drop or even change the priority in between two or three elements, you should use drop zone inside that panel or that zone, that area. And also, if you take a look at this image, for example, this is yellow one. This has a draggable script. The drag mechanism works with just changing the parents if we want to drag it around between two containers. Okay, but inside one container, it's gonna be just changing the child and also working with the layout element. Imagine the layout element works for sorting all elements inside an area. Okay, so we can change the priority or change the position of each UI element by using layout elements and also canvas group as well. Okay, I don't want to go deep down inside the how draggable script works, but if you want to take a look at this, it is here and easy to understand, but actually it is not my priority. My purpose for this video is how we can use this. Okay, so if we play the scene, okay, look at this. I'm dragging this yellow one to this guy. Look at this guy. This is the yellow one, colored card. Look at this. It moves between all children in container. And if I drag and drop inside here, it changed the parent. That's it. Look at this. For example, it will be like this. Okay, but okay, now we have these elements, but how we can add a new element? Okay, you just need to drag and drop. No, sorry, right click on that container and create, for example, a raw image here, and make sure your raw image or your UI elements needs to have element layout element and also canvas group. Okay, so we will copy this component and paste here and for canvas group as well. That's it. For better understanding, I changed the color of this one to green, my favorite color. And now oh, something. Oh, sorry. It's my bad. I didn't duplicate the draggable component. I forgot. Sorry. Yes. Here. Now we have draggable canvas group layout element, exactly like the example one. And now I come and play the scene again. And now, look at this. I can drag between one container and drag and drop to another container. Excellent. That's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.